In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download leads from Freshsales. If you need to save your lead information for reporting, backup, or analysis, downloading an export is one of the fastest options. I will guide you through the process step by step, and I will also mention what to look for on the screen so you can follow along smoothly. First, log into your Freshsales account. Go to your Freshsales login page, enter your account credentials, and complete the sign-in. Once you are logged in, you should land on your Freshsales dashboard or the main area of your workspace. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Next, you will click the setting. On the screen, look for the settings area, which is usually represented by a settings icon or a menu labeled for configuration. This is where Freshsales places tools for managing data and exporting information. When you open settings, a menu or panel should appear, showing different options related to your account and data preferences. After that, select your account. In the settings area, you may see multiple items you can manage, such as workspace settings, account settings, or account-specific configurations. Choose the option that corresponds to your current account. This step matters because the export options and available data can depend on the account context you are using. Make sure you are selecting the account that contains the leads you want to download. Now that you have selected the right account, click the Export Data. Look for a section or button specifically labeled Export or Export Data. When you choose this, Freshsales will open an export workflow. This workflow is designed to help you pull out lead records in a format that you can use outside of Freshsales, such as in spreadsheets or other tools. Once the Export Data option is open, you will need to choose your preferred file format. Freshsales typically offers multiple export formats, and you can select the one that best matches your use case. For example, a spreadsheet format is usually helpful if you plan to sort, filter, or review the leads later. Take a moment to consider where you want to use the file. Selecting the correct format now will make the rest of your workflow much easier. After choosing your preferred format, click Export to download. This is the final action that starts the download of your exported leads file. Depending on your browser and settings, you might be prompted to confirm the download, or the file may begin downloading automatically. Keep an eye on your browser download bar or the Downloads folder to make sure the file completes successfully. When the download finishes, you should have a file that contains your lead data based on the export settings you selected. Before you move on, it is a good idea to open the file to confirm it contains the expected information. This small check helps ensure the export you requested was created correctly and that the file is ready for whatever you plan to do next. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.